talking mode, press 4. For language settings, press 5. To enable away mode, press 6. For function extension, press 8. To exit master mode, press star key. To delete user pin code, press 1. To return to the previous menu, press the star key. 1. Pin code already exists. Please enter pin code or 2-digit user number. Then press the pound key. To return to the previous menu, press the star key. Deletion succeeded. Pin code database is empty. Deletion succeeded. Pin code database is empty. To delete user pin code, press 1. To return to the previous menu, press the star key. To change master pin code, press 1. Exit master mode.